these are our handles for the basket, and we just use a table saw and rip the 1x4 in half. So this is the dowel rod. We're using this as our handle. It is 1 inch, and we're cutting it 19 inches to fit all the way across with our basket.
So now we're working on our handle going across. These are our upright pieces, and we want this to be, you know, to be able to carry it if you want to, but this is not going to be like carrying loads of tools. But what we're doing is we're trying to figure out where we want it to be. So what we've done is we've come down a 1/2 inch and we've just centered it, and we're going to take a 1 inch drill bit and just drill, not all the way through, hopefully, just halfway. And we're going to do it the exact same on both. So we haven't marked this one yet, but we did come down a 1/2 inch. We're in a third basically, and that's splitting it. And then we're taking that and marking it with a pin, and then take our drill bit and go through. So let's see how it works out.
So we've laid everything out the way it needs to be assembled. We sanded everything and we rounded everything off with the sander to make it look more rustic, and let's put it together. So because this is for decorative purposes, we're not too concerned about the strength. So instead of using screws, we're using a brad nailer and nailing into the sides. And it contributes to the rustic look. So we're using some inside corner braces for the outside. It adds to the rustic look and it helps with the strength. So we finished putting this together, so now we're on to the handles. We've measured from here to the center so we could center this piece, and then we're gonna use these screws to screw on the inside instead of the outside so that it's not visible.
Well, here you go. It is finished, and let me grab it and pick it up. As you can see, it is pretty sturdy. I'm not going to go carrying lots and lots of weight in it, but I'm definitely not going to mind putting some things in there. But ideally, it would be good to have plants in, or maybe, you know, at the kitchen table if you have a large table, salt, pepper, napkins, things of that nature, or maybe on top of the fridge. Lots of things that you could do with it, but less than $20 for that. Easy to build, and you can stain it, paint it, do whatever you want to do. But either way, thanks for watching. Hopefully this inspires your next project.